Now, when applying a graphene ceramic coating with such high loading levels like the advanced one here, oftentimes you can get things called high spots. Like on this mirror, you can see it's pretty faint. First thing I want to do is reapply some of the coating that's left in the bottle. So I'm going to go over the high spot and wipe it off, and that worked perfect. If that doesn't work, the next thing you want to bump up to is trying some Brilliant Glaze. Let's check and see using Brilliant Glaze. And we take the plush towel, and as you can see, that high spot is removed. If you go to remove a high spot and it's being stubborn like this, when it comes to rehydrating with the graphene ceramic coating or using the Brilliant Glaze, you're gonna take the white polish and you're just gonna put a little bit on this polishing pad. And using the weight of my hand, I'm gonna go over this a couple times like so. As I wipe this off, you can see that the polish is going to remove the super stubborn high spot. If you do use polish, whether it's by hand or whether it's by using the machine, you want to reapply the graphene ceramic coating. High spots happen when you apply a graphene ceramic coating. Every time I've done it, I've always had high spots. I just make sure I go around and fix it before I send the car off or before I drive it.